Alright, this is our second day at ngayon pupunta kami sa Dubai Frame. Isa sa mga pinakamagandang architecture sa buong Dubai, which is dinidivide niya yung old tsaka yung Dubai. So tingnan natin mamaya kung gaano siya kaganda. Let's go guys! So ayan, on the way na kami ngayon sa town. First time namin sa mga ino. May kasama ko sa si Eliza.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat.
Dito tayo nakakapasok.
Pasok muna tayo.
Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing
Oh, about 2 years ago.
you. I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon. And I'm up all night. Howling at you. Tables have turned.
Nakikita mo ito.
Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. I used to be chill. Now I can't catch my breath.
Actually, sa mga nagtatanong kung ano meron dun sa dito sa Dubai Frame. Tapos ito naman yung modern, which is nandun. Makikita natin yung
In the coldest of nights, yeah, I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned.